Hello guys, welcome to MA Tutorials. This video is based on how to create this random logo t-shirt for your business. Let's get started.
Preview.
Before entering into the video, are you looking for a designer who can design logos, posters, business cards, UI/UX, and designing kinds of stuff? Then you are at the right place. Just go to fiverr.com/hmohammedathil or click on the link in description and get your designs now. Let's move on to the video. First, we need to start creating with the random logo. For that, click Create New button. Then change points to pixel in letter artboard and click on Create button. Then select the rectangle tool and create new rectangle with width and height 110 and 272 pixels. After that, change its fill to none and swap the color. Then create another rectangle with width and height both 110 pixels and another rectangle with width and height 110 and 217 pixels. After that, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Then create a new ellipse with width and height both 330 pixels. After that, swap the color to stroke. Then change its stroke to 110 points and align its stroke to inside. After that, arrange all shapes in random to get a random logo. After that, change the color of the ellipse and rectangles to white. Then, go to File menu, select Export, and click Export As. In Export panel, change its type of Save to PNG. Then change its file name to 123.png. Then click Export. And click OK. Next, we need to add the logo into t-shirt Mockup. To download the t-shirt Mockup, you can visit the website named Mockuptree, website link in the description, then download the zip file from the website. After that, open the t-shirt Mockup PSD file in Adobe Photoshop. Then go to Layers, select the Delete layer, and delete it. After that, go to Smart Object layer, and double-click on Add Design. When the Add Design layer is open, hide the Mockup layer. Then go to File menu and click on Place Embedded option. Select the PNG file and click Place. Then adjust its size and place it in the center. After that, press Ctrl+S to save the Add Design layer. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.